Hi, this is Harald from A1 Driving School. Today we're showing you a video on what steps to take when exiting the motorway. Let's go and have a look. Okay, when exiting the motorway, we check our rear vision mirror and side mirror. We don't slow down until we're physically on the off-ramp. We indicate early, we have another good check at our mirror, and we gently just come off the motorway. Once we're on the off-ramp, we can start to slow down, we can turn the indicator off. You can see the off-ramp is going uphill, which helps us to slow down our speed. We're now looking for the next speed limit so that we can adjust our speed before we get to the sign. And we're braking nice and early, so we're at or under the speed before we get to the sign. Thank you for watching our video on what steps to take when exiting the motorway. We hope you found it useful. Next time we're showing you what steps to take when changing lanes on the motorway.